We won't look at you. Come on, vlog.
I do.
I think it's zoomed in.
If you don't say it right. Oh, that color's nice.
What's going on, guys? So we're here at Bandas Y Mamalonas, and we're gonna show you guys throughout the day. We got here like at 1, ends at 10, so I'll be showing you everything. But yeah, we just stepped back. What's going on, guys? We just left the event and we actually got done eating right now. And so right now we're gonna go back. We went ahead and did a quick stop at Circle K, and we got some drinks, and we're gonna head back right now. We just had to kind of hide. Okay guys, right now we're gonna go to the main stage because I guess they're gonna be announcing awards. So let's go ahead and go.
Me van a ver en Culiacán, y a Kansas también me voy a trabajar. Mi negocio no lo voy a mencionar para que no salga mal. Arrancamos para Massa y para el clásico ir a parar, para la mente despabilar.